A lot of people are actually battling with the problem of KYC for Startower. So these are the few things we've actually discovered from Startower, and this is how you go about it. So when you come to your wallet section, you can see your wallet section here. What the first thing you need to do is to actually import your wallet. For you to import your wallet, so you discover that you've actually created a wallet on your MetaMask. This is the wallet we've created before on MetaMask. So what we need to do is to copy the seed phrase. So when you copy the seed phrase from your, if you come to your settings, you're going to go to security settings. Then from there, you're going to see your seed phrase. You copy, then you come here. So when you come here, all you need to do is to come to this section here. So when you come to this section, then click on add account. So when you click on add account, you just import the wallet with your secret phrase. So I've actually imported mine. So, and when I check the address, you can see I'm using the same address. You click on receive, you can see this is my wallet address, showing that I'm actually using the correct wallet. So then the next thing you need to do is to actually come here. So when you come here, you can go to wallet management and manage your wallet. Then what you're more interested in is the node setting. So when you come to your node settings, you can see your node settings here. So when you come to your node settings, you discover that the Startower address is already showing green. You get the point. So you need to add a custom node. So when you click here, you're going to paste the custom node. So you're going to paste it there. So here is the custom node. You can see now it's already showing green. So after clicking on the custom mode, the next thing you're going to see that this thing is showing red like this. Look at it. This one is showing red. So you have to leave it for some time. Let's say like 1 hour. Then it will turn it will turn to green like this. You get the point. So that's just a simple way on how to actually get it done. It's very quick and easy. So if you still have any issue, you can post it in the comment section, or more importantly, make sure you join our Telegram channel. You're going to see the link, this link in our Telegram channel, so that you can copy it and use it to actually do your settings. You get the point. So see you